Most people think the hardest part of owning a supercar is buying it. But the truth is this. The real problems start after you take the keys, because a $500,000 supercar is not just a car. It's a financial responsibility that can destroy your wallet if you're not ready. Let me break it down in simple terms. Owning a supercar is like having a very expensive baby. You don't just buy it and enjoy it. You have to feed it, maintain it, check on it, and spend money on it every single time it cries. But unlike a real baby, supercars cry through warning lights, strange sounds, and breakdowns. And every single problem comes with a big price tag. In a normal car, a check engine light might cost $50 or $100. But in a supercar, a Lamborghini oil leak, $3,000 to $8,000, a McLaren battery, $18,000 to $25,000, Bugatti tires, $40,000 for a set. Yes, just tires, so a small sound, a small vibration, or a small warning instantly becomes a big financial headache. A Toyota is built for millions of people. Parts are easy, mechanics are everywhere, repairs are cheap. But a supercar, it's built like a rocket, handmade parts, rare materials, special mechanics, hours of labor, slow part deliveries. So when something breaks, you're not paying for parts, you're paying for science. Imagine the engine failing on your normal car. Painful, but maybe $2,000 to $4,000 to fix. Now imagine a supercar engine failing. Lamborghini Huracan engine, $45,000 to $60,000. Ferrari Fi 8, $30,000 to $50,000. Bugatti, if you're asking, you can't afford it. When the engine dies, the car becomes a $500,000 statue unless you can pay instantly. Many owners can't. That's why you see supercars abandoned in garages or listed online, needing a little work. Insurance companies know these cars crash easily, repair slowly, and cost a fortune. So they charge $5,000, $10,000, even $25,000 per year. Just for insurance, you don't even have to get into an accident. Just owning the car already costs money. Here's the painful truth. A $500,000 supercar will not be worth $500,000 next year. Depreciation hits hard. In 2 years, it might be $350,000, $320,000, even $280,000. You lose tens of thousands just for enjoying the car. Why the rich still buy them? The rich don't play the same game. They know how to use warranties, how to lease instead of buy, how to write off the car as a business expense, how to flip rare supercars and even make profit. They use money smartly, not emotionally. That's why they enjoy supercars peacefully, while regular buyers suffer in silence. So yes, buying a supercar is easy. Maintaining it is the real challenge. If you're going to own one, don't just think about the power. Think about the financial responsibility that comes with it. Stay fast. Stay legendary. Walterlotus.